This is the pattern for that mask, the shop towel mask. This is a square that is 8 inches square. And you want to, these 4 X's are important spots for the darts. So you want to mark a center line on your paper, 4 inches. So then go in 2.5 inches from this edge and down 3 inches to mark that X. Same on this side, down 3 in 2.5. Same here and same here. Oh, I forgot to mark this spot here, which is 2 inches. So down 2 inches, down 3 inches, in 2.5. And then you want to fold on that diagonal line. Just make a crease. So this point here, we're going to bring over to the center line. So you just have to do a little bit of fiddling to make that happen. So fold that like that to get your dart. And the same here. This is 2 inches down. Fold along here. Bring this point over to the center. And then you have that one side. Now I'm just going to open it up again just to show you, what I did at the top and the bottom. I didn't show you that at the beginning. So this piece here folds down, and that's just 3/4 of an inch. So that folds down 3/4 of an inch, and this is where your piece of metal will go to bend over your nose. And do the same on the bottom. Fold it over 3/4 of an inch. Now if you have a bigger or longer face, you could adjust that to make it a bit of a size difference. Fold the dart, fold this point into the center. It takes a little fiddling to get that point there, but you want to make sure you have those dots on there. And don't be tempted to put a pin in there to mark it, because you don't want to put any pins through this filter fabric, because it'll create a hole, and therefore the air is going to be drawn in through that point instead of through the filter cloth. So here we are on this side, fold it in. I think I'm going to just cut these off, because I will be cutting them off in the final product. And that'll be a different shape to your pattern too, but don't try and cut it that way originally. Just cut it off, cut the tabs off after. And you can actually pin, if you want to hold this dart together, you can put a pin in through here, as long as it's fairly close to the edge, because you're going to be sewing a binding on over here and stitching anyway, so there's going to be holes in there. But you don't want any holes in the main part of your mask.